Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to everyone. Today we're gonna present about the practical exercise for the questions that we have been chosen. This is the one of our subject that we take for this year, for this semester. That is Financial Accounting 3. The lecturer is Puan Nur Afifah binti Ahmad. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I would like to introduce our group members for these presentations. We have me, Wan Muhammad Muaz bin Warasti, 04 TAT 20F 2065, and we have Muhammad Badri bin Razali, metric number is 04 DAT 20F 2056, and then Muhammad Fathi bin Muhammad Mamun, his metric number is 04 DAT 20F 2039. And lastly, we have Atikullah Akmal bin Yusri. His metric number is 04 DAT 20F 2062. First, let's look at the questions first. The question is about the Kul Tarul Berhad. Okay, Kul Tarul Berhad has authorized capital amounting to 1 million ringgit, which consists of 800,000 units of ordinary shares valued at 1 ringgit each and 200,000 units of 10% preference shares valued at 1 ringgit each. The following information was taken from Kul Tarul's book as at 31st December 2016. Details below is the trial balance for Kul Tarul Berhad for 31st December 2015. Okay, soon we're going to classify every information given to the statement of comprehensive income, statement of financial position, and statement of changes in equity. This is the additional information that have been given from the questions. We have closing inventories. The ending period is 110,000 ringgit. Provisions on depreciation on motor vehicles 25%, land and building 20%. Market value on land and building at ending period is 395,000 ringgit. Accrual debenture interest is for ending period. Write-off 10,000 for research and development costs. General reserve is transfer 5,000 ringgit, and basic rate of company income tax is 27%. Preference dividends and ordinary dividends is 10%, has to be proposed. Based on the information that I've given from the questions, we are required to prepare. Firstly, is we have to prepare notes to the account first, and then we have to prepare statement of comprehensive income ended 31st December 2016, and then statement of changes in equity also ended 31st December 2016, and lastly we have to prepare statement of financial positions ended 31st December 2016.
The first step to construct financial statement for Kul Tarul perhaps is to prepare notes to account. First of all, depreciation motor vehicle is 90,000 times 25% equals to 22,500, and accumulated depreciation motor vehicle is 22,500 plus 20,000 equals to 42,500. Secondly, motor vehicle is 90,000 minus 42,500 equal to 47,500. Next, depreciation land and building 320,000 times 20% equal to 70,000. Meanwhile, accumulated depreciation land and building is 70,000 plus 80,000 equals to 150,000. In spite of that, land and building, which is 350,000 minus 150,000 50,000 equals to 200,000. Hence, debenture interest is 80,000 times 10% equals 8,000. The sixth step is accrued. Accrued debenture interest is 8,000 minus 2,000 equal to 6,000. Research and development, or in other words, goodwill, which is 70,000 minus 10,000 equals to 60,000. Moreover, about tax payable is 82,700 times 2% equal to 22,329. We also have ordinary share 300,000 times 10% equals to 20,000. Last but not least, preference share is 50,000 times 10% equals to 5,000.
Statement of comprehensive income for the year ended 31st December 2016. For the sale is 75,000 ringgit, and minus the return inward is 5,000 ringgit. We can get the 745,000 ringgit for the total sale. For the opening inventories is 100,000 ringgit. The purchases is 250,000 ringgit. Carriage inward is 18 and at 300,000 ringgit. Then we can minus the closing inventories is the 110,000 ringgit. So we can get the cost of the goods sold 258,800. Then the total sale minus cost of the goods sold to get the gross profit is 486,200. Next is the expenses. The expenses is depreciation motor vehicle to 22,500. Depreciation land and buildings is 70,000, and the office salary is 180,000. The motor expenses is 25,000. General distribution expenses is 70,000. General administration expenses 40,000. R&D written off 10,000. Debenture of interest is 8,000. The director remuneration 60,000. So we can plus all the expenses and then get the 413,500 ringgit. So the gross profit minus the total of expenses to get the profit before tax. So the profit before tax is 72,700. Then minus the tax is 19,629 ringgit. So that we can get the profit after tax. The profit after tax is the 53,071 ringgit. That's all from me for the statement of comprehensive income.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fatih bin Muhammad Makmun. Number battery 04D8020F2039. Okay, next statement of changes in equity for the year end 31 December 2016. Okay, balance BD for ordinary share is 300,000. Preference share is 50,000. General reserve is 20,000, and return earning is 90,000. Okay, for profit for the year, I take from profit after tax is 53,71,000. Okay, next operation transfer to general reserve. In general reserve is 5,000, and in return earning minus 5,000. Okay, next proposed dividend under ordinary share in return earning is 30,000 minus 30,000. Purpose dividend under preference share in return earning is minus 5,000. Okay, next balance CD. Balance CD for ordinary share is 300,000. For preference share is 50,000, and general reserve is 25,000, and the last one is return earning. Balance CD is 71,000. Okay, statement of financial position as at 31 December 2016. Firstly, non-current asset for balance land and building is note 4. Balance is 200,000. Motor vehicle note 2 is 47,500,000. R&D goodwill note 7 60,000. Balance non-current asset is 307,500,000. Okay, next current asset. We have bank is 120,000. Ending inventory 110,000. Debtor is 49,700,000. Balance current asset is 279,700,000. Next, minus current liability. First, creditor is 39,500,000. Tax payable 39,000. Accrued debenture interest note 7, note 6 is 6,000. Ordinary share note 9 is 30,000. Preference share note 10 is 5,000. And minus 129,000. Okay, balance working capital is 487 and 71,000. Next, issue and paid up capital. Firstly, 300,000 ordinary share. Balance is 300,000. For next 50,000. 10% preference share is 50,000. General reserve. Next, general reserve 25,000. Next, return earning is 32 and 71,000. Issue and paid capital balance is 407 and 71,000. Next, non-current liability is debtor is 80,000 and the up. Lastly, balance is 487 and 71,000. Okay, thank you.